Here's the app, Wells Fargo Mobile app. It's one of the top apps, for mobile banking, and it's pretty popular bank here. If you're using Wells Fargo Bank, that's the app for you. It's pretty convenient. You can just sign in. You can go and see your account summary, your funds, like your account details, your transaction details. You can pay and transfer, send money, pay bills, wire money, pay card, pay loan, credit card. You can then just pay with Zelle, mobile check deposit. You can also do it here. You can explore all of these things. So basically you have like accounts tab where you have all your accounts. You can deposit, you can pay and transfer, explore, and then you just have your menu. So that's just basically the app. Unfortunately I don't have Wells Fargo account, but yeah, here's just you have here. You can also set up Face ID. Then you can just tap and roll, and you can just create your account. So first we need some information from you, and then you can just create your account here. We ask you for SSN or ITIN to verify your identity. If you don't have, please check the box labeled "I don't have this number," and then so then you can just enter card loan account number, and then just continue. So that's basically how you get started with the app, and then you can just proceed further.